plus A20 and 2 miles south of Tokyo 400 feet. Request flight following.
All Nippon 2020 Tokyo approach. Squawk 6177.
Squawk 6177 All Nippon 2020.
All Nippon 2020 radar All Nippon 2020 contact approach on 121.55. Good day.
Going to 121.55 All Nippon 2020. Approach All Nippon 2020 4,900 feet.
All Nippon 2020 approach altimeter 30.09er. Continue as planned. All Nippon 2020 contact Tokyo approach on 125.4. Good day.
Going to 125.4 All Nippon 2020. Tokyo approach All Nippon 2020 5,000 feet.
All Nippon 2020 Tokyo approach altimeter 30.08. Continue as planned. All Nippon 2020 contact Yokota approach on 120.7. Good day.
120.7 for All Nippon 2020. Yokota approach All Nippon 2020 5,300 feet.
All Nippon 2020 Yokota approach altimeter 30.12. Continue as planned. All Nippon 2020 contact Tokyo Center on 125.6. Good day.
125.6 for All Nippon 2020. Tokyo Center All Nippon 2020 5,400 feet.
All Nippon 2020 Tokyo Center altimeter 30.10. Continue as planned. Air China Niner, 25 heavy climb and maintain 15,000 feet. All Nippon, 706 climb and maintain 8,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 8,000 feet. All Nippon 706. Climb and maintain flight level 250 Air China Niner 25 heavy.
Air China Niner, 25 heavy climb and maintain flight level 350.
Climb and maintain flight level 350 Air China Niner 25 heavy.
Air China Niner, 25 heavy climb and maintain flight level 390. Nippon 17906 descend and maintain 6,500 feet. Descend and maintain 6,500 feet, all Nippon 17906. All Nippon 2020 traffic is 8 o'clock 4 miles at 5,700 feet Bombardier CRJ 700. Report them in sight. IBEX 15, you are 1,000 feet above your assigned altitude. Descend and maintain 5,700 feet altimeter 30.11.
All Nippon 2020 have the Bombardier CRJ 700 in sight.
Descend and maintain 5,700 feet, IBEX 15. All Nippon 776, you are 800 feet above your assigned altitude. Descend and maintain 5,900 feet, altimeter 30.12. Climb and maintain 5,900 feet, all Nippon 776. Air Peach 104, you are 700 feet below your assigned altitude. Climb and maintain 6,700 feet, altimeter 30.15. Climb and maintain 6,700 feet, Air Peach 104. All Nippon 706, please expedite your climb 8,000 feet.
Climb and maintain 7,800 feet, all Nippon 9056.
All Nippon 2020 contact Komatsu approach on 121.25. Good day.
121.25 for all Nippon 2020. Komatsu approach all Nippon 2020 2700.
$2,500. $1,000.
Komatsu Tower all Nippon 2020 3 miles northeast 700 feet to land.
300.
All Nippon 2020 Komatsu Tower. Altimeter 30.15 wind 328 at 12.
Overspeed.
Enter left downwind runway 6.
Overspeed. Overspeed.
Make left traffic runway 6 all Nippon 2020.
All Nippon 2020 wind 328 at 12. Cleared to land runway 6.
Cleared to land runway 6 all Nippon 2020.
1,000. 500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 60, 50, 40.